got that prime gaming bundle, all right, Tim?
Welcome to the new
helicopter. Helicopter.
Oh, this was a sick shot. Watch.
Hey, don't worry.
Oh
Oh my god.
That
Oh
was
my God,
crazy.
Oh my god.
So honest to God, since Doc pulled that off, I've tried that. I've never been able to pull it off, dude. Ever. Doc, you think we got him with the bait, bro?
What'd you do?
I queued and I said I would queue when I got back. You think we got him with the bait?
Honestly, you talk so much that I didn't even hear that.
Oh, all right, come on. Let's get a good one.
Yeah,
All right,
yeah. I'm pushing my monitor back another 2 feet just to make sure I don't miss anything in this game.
You know, we had one game where I had 10 and you had 3, and that's the best game we've had today, and that's unacceptable for you. Okay.
Usually I've got double-digit kills
That's what I mean.
every game.
Where are you feeling? You called this time. I didn't feel it last time, and it was an L.
I say far side peak.
Far side. So like here, do you want to go lower high?
Actually, how about close peak up top?
I think I can make that happen. That kid trying to kill me out of here? No fucking way. Yeah, he is.
Look at this guy.
Sighted on target.
All right, I got a bad shoot. This guy, 2 of them floating.
Can you hit it or no? Yeah.
There you go, another guy. That guy's 1 shot.
I felt
You didn't fall down. You didn't fall down, did you?
I did, bro. You can't pull your shoot when you're that close to the wall. It's such a fucking L. I'll be back.
Destination here.
Your teammate was broken. They're no longer with us. If they kill you, it's over. It's done.
This thing fucking shreds up close, man.
But he's not clicking.
Losing ground. Move it.
You didn't... What the hell is this?
All right, good job, Doc. I changed my shirt, literally. I'm ready to play now.
Okay. I got no idea where I'm at. All I know is I got a lot of money for you.
That's good. That's good. You have double my kills right now. Also good. I'm not going to accept my fall into a death as a death.
Might be the first game in a long time where
Running
running smooth.
fly off to that if you want.
Okay.
Or that one. You have 2.
Will do. At least nobody's looking at me from up top, right?
True.
Sounds like there's shots on this one that you marked.
No, I think that's more.
Yeah, there's players right there. But I'm gonna get you in. Look at this guy.
You're flying into a cluster, Doc.
Yeah,
Oh, God. Eddie. Left.
I know. All right, let me do my thing.
I don't know if you saw him.
Hey.
Nice job, Doc. That was actually a great play. Daddy's up the ladder. Very smart. Beautiful. I'll land on you. I got plenty of loot.
Got UAV. I might just throw up this UAV just to see.
Recon's
You probably should.
Yeah, yeah.
UAV
That was
beginning
such an
flyover.
incredible decision.
Yeah, true.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
He smoked. He fucking gassed me on one. He's fucking one bullet. He gasses me. And I go to this stupid ass fucking amateur. Oh god, man. This stupid amateur design element. It's just this game is in its worst state that I've ever seen in my life. Fucking gasses me. It's just sickening, man. Oh god. I hate so much.
Moves when you're finished. It's time.
Good job.
Oh,
Sending you back to
bring back the automaton. Use an MP40 from this distance. Crazy.
Man, kind of show off right there, huh, Timmy?
Yeah, that was low key, really toxic. I shouldn't have done that.
Don't worry about that guy. He doesn't have a shot. Don't worry about him.
Can't slide cancel down the hill, huh?
Yeah.
How about a slide mechanic, if that's the case?
Who would have thought? Trying to innovate on mechanics.
Hey, Waves, can you clip that, by the way? That was really toxic of me, but it was funny. So, fuck it. All right, these kids are 100% flying at us because they're like, oh my god.
Appreciate it.
Take satchel. My bad, chat.
No, don't take. That's my satchel. No.
What about the other guy, Doc?
No.
No, I didn't take yours. Are you listening?
Yeah. Yep. Thank you.
Bitch.
So you don't like that automaton?
relocating the safe
Nah,
zone.
bro, I mean, it used to be lit, but the recoil on it's crazy now. All right, let's play loading.
Loadout drop on
Of
the
course,
way.
it's right there, naturally,
Beautiful,
and they're
beautiful.
up that mountain. All right, here's what I think. You're going to push for it. I'm going to get in here and try and, like, sit above you to make sure that they don't have a free shot at you.
It's pretty apparent that these guys aren't. They're not looking at us anymore.
Think so?
Yeah.
All right. I hope you're right.
This game today has gotten me so upset. I mean, not really personally upset. I mean, I make millions of dollars a year and I own Lambos, but how can I get that upset? But it's just making me upset, like the potential of this franchise and everything.
It has huge potential. I completely agree. Call of Duty, in my opinion, is one of the best competitive esports that was like big originally. When you look back even to the MLG days, right? They were doing it right, bro.
Mm-hmm. Shots on me. Oh, look at this guy.
The drivers hit flesh.
Yeah.
I don't know what I'm shooting at. I threw a C4 thinking they were going to drive into a stock, and they stopped.
UAV active.
You got out of the car?
Ace plating.
The hell is this?
All right, beautiful. Keep it moving.
Get a little self-res. UAV. 3 boxes right here. Boom.
You get a self, I'll get a UAV. I'm gonna do it as punishment to myself for losing my movie. Actually, we might have enough money right here. Where? I'm still like learning where these buys are. Is it outside?
It's under the map.
I'm popping my UAV.
Yep.
Found him right there.
Beautiful.
It's an invisible skin on that ping. His teammate's the guy to the right there. You see that?
Yeah, is he floating in though? I think he was floating in.
No, he's
well, now he is. Right here.
No, he's right here, doctor.
One shot. There you go.
Beautiful. Wait. I didn't get my kill. That means that kid was separate on the left. I'm pushing at it. Yeah. That's his boy up the hill.
I'm
hitting armor dock. It's all you right now.
Yep, me too.
Do you have a ping on this kid?
Throwing
He's on the rock to the left side of the road.
That rock? I can't
This one right
fucking
here.
ping it.
This one.
destination here.
But he's up here.
Hear it.
I got a UAV. I'm gonna throw up.
Recon's coming.
His teammate's the ghosted one. He's probably gonna have an angle.
Gas is
But
moving in. You safe
I got his boy on the rock on my right. I think his boy's on that as well.
Buy station costs are
Like
adjusted.
he's like right here, Doc.
Yeah, I'm looking.
I don't know for sure. Yeah. Right there. On
I'm
this
looking.
thing.
I'm
100%.
looking.
If you wrap his left, I got his right. I just broke him. I'm making a move.
UAV is out of fuel. Returning for resupply.
Flashing over.
Feeling good.
Never mind. Nading. Way behind you.
One shot again.
All right, I'll take
One
that from
shot
you.
7 times. I'm gonna get a self over here because I don't have one.
Enemy UAV active.
Little fire cell, huh?
Okay, UAVs as well. We have time to hit this, right? Zone's pretty far, Doc. Fuck.
We got a little Jeep. Got a Jeep.
You want me to drive that?
Yeah.
Allied UAV overhead. Hunt them down.
Give me your money, Doc. Nah, never mind. Fuck it. Too late. You want to handle this, okay?
Like, what are these guys doing? Hanging down here.
I don't know, bro. I had
Like,
this
what are you
kid
guys
one
doing?
shot.
Like, what are they doing the whole time?
I mean, this kid's got 0 kills. I don't think they're very good. I think they just ghosted and heard gunshots and then pushed down there. Literally.